How to enable Google Assistant on Android. Now on the home screen, open up Google. In here, we go back to settings. So when you open it, tap on the profile icon. Then we go down and tap on settings. In settings, tap on Google Assistant. Then scroll down and tap on Digital Assistants from Google. Then select Google Assistant. Tap on switch. Then tap on the back key and tap on the home button. Now touch and hold on that, and you can see Google Assistant will now turn on. Okay, Google, open YouTube. Okay, Google, open YouTube.